Today, we're exploring 3 top-notch Android apps, Mimo Learn Coding, Programming Hub, and Programming Hero, that simplify the learning process and make coding accessible to everyone. Let's dive in. Mimo Learn Coding. Mimo is a user-friendly mobile app designed to teach coding in an engaging and interactive way. It offers a variety of courses that cover programming languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and Swift, among others. The app is built around bite-sized lessons that fit into short time frames, making it easy for users to learn on the go. Mimo employs gamification techniques, such as rewards and challenges, to keep users motivated and engaged in the learning process. Users can also practice coding through real-world projects and exercises that reinforce the concepts they've learned. Programming Hub Learn Coding. Programming Hub is an educational app that focuses on a wide range of programming languages and concepts. It offers a vast library of courses covering languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, and more, catering to both beginners and advanced learners. The app's interface is designed to be intuitive, with a rich set of coding examples and interactive quizzes to enhance user understanding. One of the standout features of Programming Hub is its offline access capability, allowing users to learn even without an internet connection. Programming Hero Learn Coding. Programming Hero stands out with its focus on gamified learning experiences. It provides a playful approach to coding education, offering a more engaging way for users to learn programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. The app features a storyline framework where users embark on a journey, solving coding challenges as they progress through the narrative. This gamification not only makes learning fun, but also helps users retain information better. Programming Hero includes a variety of interactive exercises, quizzes, and coding projects that encourage hands-on practice. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this overview of Mimo, Programming Hub, and Programming Hero helps you find the perfect coding companion. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.